Abusia only let Sammy Gyamfi and Sammy buy and buy news na enipa Ghana fo nyina e twen ne se ono na too many nyina hye ne nsa do be ka na wom do bia kan bia de ala se obi ya no baba ye but nipa o ka bia ewom o ka se empu no bepunu enhye be hye his excellency John Dramani Mahama ono ka bia na ewom edina wiase nyina Ghana nyina tadi e twen asem wa his excellency ebeka na finally Sammy Gyamfi and Sammy Mahama abekasa as to what I say we in the day. And that's what anybody at channel there. Element to the end of this particular video. Now, bet and Simbia say for sure. Mahama Eden Bonnie channel. Now, in Chiremu, Ewumu, a high Penyah Brock Media. Mess was any demo. Over I keep video, no other or subscribe button, so I click the notification icon of latest updates. Now, bet you watch video about me, or comments, and she was a baswa. Now, she will want to so any be ashe. It's last week Friday, no. And I say, Fini Agrada. I say, woman Gaddafi, Agrada, Comfort Agrada, son of making. Sika gere ase na making grada udi sika tom prada sika nya ne na Sammy Gyamfi sa koma na dollars agada gusa petrus ka ba Sammy Gyamfi cash flow Mr. Dollarman cash flow okay dollars and the man dollars we tam man dollars am agada kwasa age de e won Sammy na e kan e ma ba ni sinu no you know NDC foko din ka start attack Mahama.
And you know the for an pay is my who video be about the blast Sammy Gyamfi National Communication Director since Saturday. Now who me who video nam send man me boss me. Who video no send me video mam say me video be make I say my to about my mama and to about my point I no correct. Sammy Gyamfi many problems ka the child grada and many problem ho. Obi a ka say ska the child grada no obi a problem obi any problem ho. O kwan so to obi ska. If you minimum be a opposition, Sammy Gyamfi and 1 billion. Minimum be a opposition, Sammy Gyamfi change. Now, Sammy Gyamfi, Sakas will pass for the National Communication Director, Sammy Gyamfi. NDC from Kureja campaign was Santa Ready Hanmo, MP for Guy, Numa, could be a fitem hand coming, yet man had been to Hanam, the fitem Hanam. As we talk banter, we talk at the campaign, my NDC. Kayepo be a BBC and National Communication Director, Sammy Gyamfi. Hey, I swear I'm going Sammy Gyamfi. Even never life, you will fit that. Sammy Gyamfi, make come up upon an idea and you will fit that. Hey, I don't pay him, Mira, put Sammy Gyamfi. Since Saturday, hey, the same video now, I'll tell me so the video, and Mira Koyama, you am sending video, Sammy Gyamfi. Could be very say, and I care. Hey, I hear Sammy Gyamfi, I am assuming you will hold the Biala da. Oh, $10, all the Magrada. Now, what you say, I am quite phone. Sammy Gyamfi. Mr. Kobia, I National Communication Director. Sammy Gyamfi. Eh, more video on command. Sammy Gyamfi communication no office straight. Saturday out there. I see a papa. Now, you will feed the Biana da. What's Sammy Gyamfi? What do you want to hear? The American was more. Any problem about what do you want? A wild bottoms Kawan on your sika. See any problems over to Biscans or any problem. Minimum so scout bet to Bisca. Your position crouch will be 1 billion. Na ye ba power Sammy Gyamfi brand cry blue media so bre busamfa kwan be no mfa to band o na National Communication Director obi ba say na kanya wo Sammy Gyamfi wo Sammy Gyamfi na ka be say National Communication Officer mu a wo be jan wo $10 yi scam agrada na ye ne jan kata ma ba to ka se enkwasafo na ye timi fo ma bon mo ka se Sammy Gyamfi ye enkwasafo ma me se me kame papa na Sammy Gyamfi ade ye we fi de biala da Sammy Gyamfi wo ade a wo de ye ne kasa ma NDC no ade a wo dey ase ma me will fit the biala da Sammy Gyamfi wo ade a wo dey no ade a wo dey no me come papa ade a Sammy Gyamfi wo dey wo yi sky test come agada na wo ba Sammy Gyamfi wo ba ho no ye bandrama no 1 month say wo as National Communication Director my friend passport the band 5 CD na fakasada when the one that kwan yi sky dey ma agada ye enkwasa for ye jan ye campaign ma party ama ye jan we wa sant mama enyuma agu ye nya dwo ponye ni di e kwa ba ne fa so kasa ma party ye wi ye fra pa no bi afie wa sant mama obi afie na de na ma no say ye gu so kasa ma party obi ba ye sa na wo Sammy Gyamfi na wo na ba ye sa obi ba ye sa na wo Sammy Gyamfi Sammy hade ade nya me tua ka papa ade how dey me do me papa na say Sammy Gyamfi ade how dey nya me be tua ka papa Sammy Gyamfi wo ade Sammy Gyamfi dey say you will fit the biala that na nyame ho ade NDC ba power no wo be tia wo Sammy Gyamfi ka wo ade how dey na yem ya ba mumu yem pa ba You man they good at the good last year and the campaign. What Sammy Gyamfi na wanya kwa says come gather. Sammy Gyamfi, na mi be tia kao. Ya mama ye kwa sasa ma ntoma. Ya kata shoot some before. No mama be scam the policies no. What dia ban wa aduma. We minister, we appointee, we NDC. We do kwa sasa na we ko fa. Kwa sasa ma ba be office o. Mu afo. Unim nyasa Sammy Gyamfi unim nyasa. Me everybody na papa swear. Ya be party no don yebo. Ya be your office ya be obi adu. Ya be you home. Na ba ma say ya be obi office. Obi tum gura za. Eto ya this ni pa asate ya na ehu. Me wano. We man for so ni me. Da ba be say ma go ma office o man bandits kada. Sabe fi ade den. Na me be tua o kapa o. O de bye o. Bye na nya me de tua o ka o.
Ansa kona opposition party MPP ebem.
Why are we holding him to that higher standard? Because he was so inconsiderate to every other person.
Yeah.
Odobia Simbia your politics. And then was Maba. Oh, check dollars. Make sure one news headline and about 120 before I be win election, no any dollars. And I'm saying, pay that logic idea. And then public official be away be as after no be. Or more boys so about talk.
But me one thing to I know, say some politicians they come in and Mucheska.
Yes, but you see, that's what I'm saying.
And I wait and Abana.
No, me, Mamen Kazamjo. Sammy Gyamfi, for instance. Upon first thought, I thought it was a non-issue. After a day, say a number of Kobe in the Chiska, your bonds are where Yazi. Honorable can call Mampohine now today. So bonds are 20,000, right? You could have said you, you need to be a Kobe. Be able to one, we be shall be able to bottom 100 cities, 200, be a 500. But assembling in a fapim in I say, sometimes we judge you by your own standard.
Oh, okay.
Standard that some say, and no one will be a judge no buy. Ubia Sembiano, or find it so personal, and if you like it, let me use the term, even inconsiderate. Ubia Sembia near the Yaman. Now they didn't need you. One, buy was in Chiaka in a space of 4 months. The dollars on every year. You are not an ordinary person. We are a public officer this time around. Two. Now, almost is a public knowledge that Gold Board and PMC for 4 months they will be account. The trying car granted even without even assuming some pay trying car. You're trying car how many months? What I say? You're trying car how many months? You see, bottom line is say nobody is even saying so to me says he can. He could even have had it, but you see. In will be even for the optics. Your president just came and spoke about rules and ethics and when
cameraman so
cameraman
you go try
no but at the end of the day for me the most important principle is the actor whether or not saying the say idea we should encourage or not. As we can just but how he held people so inconsiderate about other people.
No,
it's a big deal.
Oh yeah.
No, it should it should be a big deal. Even though say in a normal cultural context, in a political religions and those things happen, it's a big deal.
All right.
When you're ordinary person, you are a government appointee, you handle government office. One, okay, Timon. Oh,
blogger na shada in tracker
Range Rover brand new.
Oh, okay.
One more car about $270,000. Okuya patotio okra ne kran kwa $270,000. Ukoyi ni okromba na mebusa maxi so mu yisa aka no mu so mu yi 1.1 million.
Mazi ba kwai.
Yes, we yin 1.1 million. Until for $270,000 converted into cedis ne for 1.1 million count. All of a sudden, per that logic the me hold do obi into any standard in any account. After all, so obi a chesika. After all, so obi a me say me waka. Me nto car bebre ma to car me nsa. Aha, nti aban foforo ba. Ma aban ba na me twika. Na me cars do then nobody should have any right to even ask me that them my talker. Me to say me ofie.
So we were you
me adwuma me ofie nti aban ba nobody should even also have any right to ask me say na me nyefie enuma na nsia de account. You see what is not good you na nyintum say good. Some of these things wisdom should tell you say ye no e kwan bi so. We a display of opulence and influence is completely needless. If you ask me, they are avoidable. It's not good for the government, especially to the same standard that Samena Setiamobia. Now, Nanya former Zutiminia is carrying his Ledapan Huntiminian all his lifetime, or her lifetime. See, I know Yaman yourself. I mean, sometimes when you have an opportunity to criticize people,
what I say, Emma NDC bloggers are called Ghanaian citizens are called minimum the power, not of what MPP hard one. I'll call a crowd and show the frustration on that.
And Michelle social media, I am a say, we have a lot of youth in the NDC defending this. Mahama muti social media defending Sammy Gyamfi on this particular case. NDC ba power. One at the end. If Samu, Mana, bring moja ni every moon kwan to chacha. Akwa tinasi polling station. Mumubi ebet na bomu trimutu. Dabi, mudi your friend say politics chi. Ebo modin. Yiri muhunye campaign share t-shirt across Ghana. At the end of the day, most of you are to social media defending party. Some of the leaders in the party are disappointing low key. But some of you want to say this is the time I am able to media kasama abluama microphone here. Ama ebintino. Let us defend. Issue way who defend the same. I will be honest with you here. This particular issue, who the person will defend here, I cannot do it. Because Sammy Gyamfi have for me weapon against on one person. Because over the weekend, now MPP, any jam against the government. But this particular Sammy Gyamfi case, 2028 election, Ebeyo who can pay message. Sammy Gyamfi messed up big time. And when your issue was say, say cannot create. Do you know how people suffered in bringing NDC to power? You to social media, TikTok, Facebook with TM, Nebirum Nam Grounds here campaign. Now about power, neglecting sound of then you are moving around giving money to people. Omupra Didi will flag bear at them. That person and Amucha and people want us to be quiet on this case. People want us to shut up our mouth. People don't want us to speak on this particular issue. Adenya is Sammy Gyamfi. Me say, this Ladapa case, so who criticize this Ladapa not defend Sammy Gyamfi for this case? We are biased. Mumubi bebrena, mu defend Sadeo. Mumubi, some of them and family course. You are aware, but mu defend this. You to do who defend. How many of the leaders in the NDC Nancy ya play social media gathering, young friend Mubi. Nancy ya social media meeting. They neglected some of you. This same Sammy Gyamfi was there. Omuye social media gathering neglected some of you. As a grassroots waya Jumama NDC, you should be pained seeing this, and you don't have to defend this. May I have defended the NDC many times, but I dare wait here. May see me defend it. At the end of the day, I'll look stupid. Sammy Gyamfi did wrong thing. This money should be offered to what the grassroots who suffered, put their blood on the line. This money should go to them. Do you know how people suffered in bringing NDC to power? Those people are sitting in the house, no opportunities. Their friend will cry, move focus. Some profanity to fear, come. Then you turn around and this is what you are doing. 6 months in power, you are sharing dollars. And you want us to keep quiet because it is NDC. Simple. And the chief of staff.
80. Emuhana just say, he was a chief of staff. Julius Debra, Ebe Samon, Sammy Gyamfi say, Omra, and penny for him, Omra Pilato and him, Panthers pilot, Omra Pilato and him, and met him, day because who same Sammy Gyamfi, Sisi da price you buy. O kwine, what kasaya. What kasaya, kwine, my dear chin. Essence Radapa, where real estate money, any good in pass, but agency via my record is over dollars, but Mutmika is the pay we are many seek a dollars a cocoon pass. What I say? State and no crown a coup for the yeast, Sister Pedi, a coup for the day, still need a best sinner. You will even be a monument, and as a guy, Sister Parker, I'm more free. Sister Pan, I'm more free. But don't forget, say, coup for the unity. Every booking appointment, and I said, a person got a MP before I did that scandal, I did that issue nearby. because when him say a ball man won't mean keep dollars a ball man consistent for you see this. That's about enkofuko ya no mo support Sammy Gyamfi abra na all bosses at the party. I want say Sammy Gyamfi dey buy there omo nyina say make you 10 say support Sammy Gyamfi say boni bia nim say na the obey generals boni bia nim so be charge nyame so makoma mu boni bia nim so be charge ora say boni bia nim so be charge say ka say di akoma chi an so be pia bonti mo ntimi hwe video but be say me keep myself decent na me keep my language decent ora say it one for twen so okay na ye twen ya Sammy Gyamfi dey ye twen the outcome abusia finally Mahama abekasa Mahama chiremu a said the Sammy Gyamfi si be patch ono what the body a che na Sammy Gyamfi nkomo nkoye se abi
Sammy Gyamfi regarding a video that emerged of some interaction with Agrada. You would recall that in the immediate aftermath of the emergence of the video, Mr. Sammy Gyamfi promptly issued an apology in which he expressed regrets over the matter and took on board public concerns raised overseeing. A day after that, the Chief of Staff summoned him to the Presidency to learn about what transpired. The invitation was honored by Mr. Sammy Gyamfi. He indicated to the Chief of Staff what his side of the story is, what explanation there is for what we all saw in the video. At the time, President Mahama was out of the country, so he had to be briefed on the discussions held with Mr. Sammy Gyamfi by the Chief of Staff, and he has been briefed. Now, the view is that to begin with, the Presidency acknowledges Mr. Sammy Gyamfi's immediate act of contrition and the acknowledgement of the need to express regrets over that incident. So that apology has been taken on board. You do recall that when President Mahama launched the Code of Conduct, he said that one of the remedies for any potential breach was a public apology. He also said one of the potential remedies was a caution from the highest levels of government. After the interaction with the Chief of Staff, the Chief of Staff cautioned him, having acknowledged the apology he made. He cautioned him and impressed upon him to take on board public sentiment and act in ways that reflect public expectation. The Chief of Staff also took the opportunity to reissue the same caution that the President had sent to all appointees to be circumspect in their conduct. There may be things that may be commonplace in our private lives, but once you become a public official, you need to be sensitive to public expectation, and therefore that ought to guide the way that you order your steps. So in view of that, Presidency does not believe that any further action ought to be taken beyond the apology and the caution, and we all take a cue from it and are going to do better in order to meet the expectations of the Ghanaian public. We value feedback. We are aware that Ghanaians expect high standards in the performance of our duties as public officials. We remain committed to meeting those high standards to ensure that we deliver the best of governance to our people who have been long suffering in the last few years under a poor government to take further action beyond what has already been done. And Mr. Sammy Gyamfi has committed to ensuring that such an incident does not recur.
Na me mentiasie bone ben na se bone fache ben apology ben na ehia wasem wem. Let me understand this. Apology ben na wasem wem. And His Excellency ade amaye no. Etre say that useless oral thing no muntimi nti obi a because obi a mo betini bia now no it means Edubuahin has the right to render apology. No the case near foolish case. Now no Kuford and Baumia has the right to render apology. So when to me anye National Cathedral now abedu this state, they have the right to render a state apology. Now be a foolish case. Obi amo accusing say why corruption biano. That person has the right to render apology. We say as aneko. Sa aneko. Some who have party na chop and atoma kuma so the it means say obi awaya bone no. The person can render an apology. So a deal man seek said the person can render just a verbal apology. You better say their channel. And Adiamaye, Muntimi prosecute will be a Ukrumano. Adiamaye, you can never prosecute any. This is a total shame to NDC as a government. This is nothing but shameful leadership, shameful governance. Obia din se munu we also be render apology. Apology say Dallas na wo ade we happen wo. MPP ni na hu say Dallas egu ni kema anka ade enchi anopa tututu. Reche jakwa. Ene ne men ene ne mrantie ne be kwa ko ready ni ba profile ko puni pruna ko say ne mpoma. Ese ye be boss search dollar go there. Hadi we nyame ncha de say MPP ni. Say MPP ni hu say Dallas egu ni kema anka ade enchi anopa ko anka be nya reche jakwa nam gan han fa so bia ni so security person fa so bia ni so no ye benya na man ko be kwa ready ni pa profile ese Dallas guni fie ese Dallas egu dan ka reche jakwa e be kwa ko bu obi dan yani mo de mo ye nyaatwe ade am you can never prosecute anybody because now mama ya tell obi di bone a obi ya bone a the person can just render a verbal apology ye be dia tum enti on that note enkwesi na otwe se na Chief Justice say say what the bell to kwa minim kura say Chief Justice edi ne ba tu kwa ko USA no eye boni ti amra we Chief Justice state ne tuan kan no oni ho kwan se or de ne ba tu kwa Sammy Gyamfi was the person trumpeting this nonsense, trumpeting this foolishness. Say Chief Justice edi ne ba tu kwa ko USA what the state money oye Chief Justice no na hwe oye financial ayana ana Ghana is Kenya no na that Bank of Ghana is Kenya never now. Obi recorded in Sikaida, I will Chief Justice. But Sammy Gyamfi was trumpeting this foolishness. Say Chief Justice Eddie Nebel to quite US because of that the Mahama nyina so enyi nadi. Mahama nyina sa foolish point we so kwasi point we so enyi Chief Justice Eddie. But Sammy Gyamfi corner there by there. Come and catch up with him. Wa be render this foolish apology nti na ne ai wa nu no ho. Enu ho be no ade we mu. Mumu say Dallas we nya ne hene na why must he as government official be roaming about with such huge of dollars on him? Ghana you need dollars, you did see this. Mu ye nya atwem. Kira waje ba ma e wo comment section how you Penyah Block Media. Akra.